everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm your MT Chai. In today's video, I will show you how to create a table of contents with page numbers in Google Docs. And if you guys want to see more educational videos related to thesis, assignment, subject, study tips and apps tutorial videos from me in the future, then please subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon to get all my newest video notifications. So let us dive into the video. Step 1. Open the Google Docs and then import or paste the document for which you want to create a table of contents. Step 2. Highlight the text you want to apply a heading style. Step 3. Choose a heading style you want to add to your document. To do this, go to the Format menu, select Paragraph Style. Here are 6 heading styles to choose from for your document. The heading 1 is for the main title of a section. Meanwhile, heading 2 is for the subsection of heading 1 and heading 3 is for the subsection of heading 2. The rest of the heading styles are so on. This document consists of both the main title and subsection. First, we will choose the heading style for the main title. For the main title, select heading 1 and click on Apply Heading 1. Do this for the main title in all sections. There are 2 ways to apply a heading style. Either go to the Format menu, click Paragraph Style, then click on Apply Heading 1 each time, or use the shortcut key Ctrl-Alt-1 to apply the heading 1. Once this is done, Step 4, we will now insert the table of contents. Choose where you want to insert the table of contents. To add a new page, press Ctrl-Enter. After that, go to the Insert menu, then select Table of Contents with page numbers. Yes, the table of contents is successfully created. And to add heading 1 subsection into the table of contents, highlight heading 1 subsection. Then, go to the Format menu, click Paragraph Style, select heading 2, then tap on Apply Heading 2. Do this for all of the heading 1 subsections. You can also use the shortcut key Ctrl-Alt-2 to apply heading 2. Once all is done, go to the Table of Contents page, then click the reload symbol to update the table of contents. And yes, all subsections were successfully updated. Why is it best to create a table of contents in Google Docs? Because if there is a sudden change or you forget to edit your font type or font size as specified in your assignment format, you do not require to change the heading text one by one. You can customize the text style easily and quickly using the features in Google Docs. So to do the custom heading style like change your font type, font size, bold or italic your text, or change the position of the text, I will show you an example of doing it. Let's say you want to make some changes to the main title in each section. Go to the starting point where you have applied heading 1 style to the main title. Now let's make some changes and see how it works. To do this, highlight the text. For this one, I'm going to change the font type to Times New Roman. Font size 12, move the text to the center and bold the text. After you have made all of your changes, then go to the Format menu. Select Paragraph Styles, choose Heading 1. Now click on Update Heading 1 to match. See, the main title on all pages are successfully updated. Another advantage of creating your table of contents in Google Docs is the order of the main title, and all subsections will be in the correct order where you do not require to do it manually one by one. I hope you enjoyed my video and I believe this video is helpful to you. So if you like this video, put a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and drop your comments below. If you want to see more educational videos just like this, please subscribe to my channel, then tap the bell button to get all my new upload notifications. Also follow me on Instagram and check out my videos over here. Thank you for your love and support and thanks for watching.